Igbo proverbs are used for admonition, advice, and for predicting the future. This is why any book on Igbo proverb is regarded as a book of wisdom. In this edition, we look at the ancient Igbo proverb which says, "A na-eji otu ji achụrụ ewu aja, maka na ewu bata n'ọba, ọ bụghị naanị otu ji ka ọ ga-eri." A yam is used as a sacrifice to goats, because if goats enter a yam barn, it is not only one yam that they will eat. Truly, in order to prevent a herd of goats from forcing their way into a yam barn, where thousands of yams are staked, a wise goat herd or goat farmer often brings out a big tuber of yam from his barn and throws it out to the goats to consume, thereby diverting their attention and assuaging the crave to break into the yam barn and eat all the yams. This means that it is more profitable to invest sizable amount of money on a project or program that will make for an orderly and peaceful society, instead of not investing in it at all and then bringing untold hardship and suffering to the people who would have benefited from it. And this will cost more money than the one that would have been invested in preventing such problem. A na-eji otu ji achụrụ ewu aja, maka na ewu bata n'ọba, ọ bụghị naanị otu ji ka ọ ga-eri. Ọ ga-aka mma mmadụ imefu obere ego iji gbochie nsogbu ma ọ bụ ọdachi chọrọ ịdapụta n'obodo, maka na nsogbu ma ọ bụ ọdachi dapụta n'obodo, ọ ga-ewe nnukwu ego na ọtụtụ ihe mfu iji dozie. Remember, we are bringing you these ancient Igbo proverbs from our channel, Global News Agency Igbo Worldwide. Like our channel, comment in the comment section, subscribe to it, and click on the notification bell to get notified in our next video. Thanks.